All right, what's going on, guys? Quick heads up, I added some headlights to my website, citizenperformance.com. These are headlights rated up to 72 volts, and they will work with my turn signal and horn kit. Now, the signal kit, I've got it installed on this bike right now. There's that little pigtail plug, the 2-pin red plug. Let me take the cap off. That's meant so you can add a second headlight to your bike if you want. Most bikes already come with a headlight, but you can't plug your stock headlight into my kit, because this little plug here, this pigtail, gets the full voltage of your battery. So if you got a 60 volt bike, it's getting 60 volts. Got a 72 volt bike, this little headlight plug gets 72 volts. So you got to buy a headlight rated for that. Now I've got them, and they've got the same matching 2-pin red plug. These are rated for up to 72 volts, and they'll plug right in. Let's give it a try right now. Plug it in. I wanted something nice, big, and bright. And then my button cluster has that top button for headlight. Let's give it a hit. Whoa. Nice and bright. I can put up some nighttime shots, but... All right, we're gonna test out my new 72 volt headlight. This you're seeing right now is the stock e-bike headlight. Now let's turn on the 72 volt light. I mean, holy cow. Talk about a floodlight. Wow. I mean, it really lights up the road in front of you too. That is crazy different. Stock headlight, 72 volt light. Wow. You want to light up the path in front of you? This is the way to do it. If you want to add a bright second headlight to your bike, here you go. Now you got an option. I got a small batch of them in, and I put them up on the website. I'm going to order more, and I'm going to turn it off. It's got a like a handlebar mount, so you can mount it to the handlebars. Right, so this will fit. This is set up right now to fit the 22.2 millimeter. It's got these rubber inserts in here. If you take those out, it'll fit the 31.8 millimeter diameter bar. So you can mount it to different bars, and then you can just, rotate it on the bar to adjust the angle. And there's you can spin it too, side to side. So you can kind of steer it away from traffic a little bit if you want. But on the website now, I got a small batch of them. I'll get more. And I also added, put that down for now, a couple other items as well. Some people are relocating the signal. I give you the mounting bracket and everything, and everything's mounted to that bracket, the signals, the horn. And some people are relocating that to like the front of their basket on their bike. So I've built some extension pieces. These are turn signal wire extenders. I put those on the site as well if you need some extra length on the turn signal wires, and also horn wire extenders. Just a male female plug on each end here where you can kind of just easily just plug. Everything's plug. I only make plug and play stuff. There's no soldering or wiring. You just plug stuff in. So if you want to get your horn or your signals a little bit further out on the bike because you got whatever saddlebags on the back or basket on the front, whatever it is, I got these there too, trying to solve some problems that have come up and get this to work for as many people as I can, so you've got the safety features on your bike. There you go. If you need some extenders or a second headlight for your bike, check them out. That's all for today. Thanks.